Welcome, Swagatam guys to our channel Ekal Sasta YouTuber. Today in this video I am going to repair Flipkart Smartbuy wireless headphone. In this headphone the right earpiece was not working properly, so I am going to repair this. Enjoy the video and like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel for more updates. Here you will get different kinds of video, not only on headphone repairing. And don't forget to comment in the comment box. Your useful comments motivate us for more videos. Thank you. Enjoy the video. Do like, share the video and comment in the comment box, and don't forget